Now let's see how we can effectively use this side button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max too. So basically this is not a power button like we used on Android phone. This is side button. I show you example. So if you long press the side button, nothing will pops up. This is default. But if you single time press the side button, your iPhone screen goes off. If you want to wake up the screen, again click. Now the screen wakes up. And the another thing is, use your volume up button and side button at the same time to take a screenshot. And quickly press and release volume up button, down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So like this, when you see the Apple logo, release the finger. Okay, it's restarted. So basically this is not a direct power switch, but indirectly it acts as a power switch. So to turn off your iPhone 17, we need to press the volume up button and side button at the same time. Then you can see the power off option. If you swipe this to right, then that's it, your iPhone 17 will be turned off. And another important use of this side button is, you can use this side button as Siri to listen your voice. I mean Hey Siri. So open settings, scroll down, Apple Intelligence and Siri, talk to Siri, and turn on this toggle button, press side button for Siri. After this, if you long press the side button, Siri will listen to your voice. You can command any order to Siri. In case if you don't want, you can toggle this off at any time. I like this feature, but you can also change the Siri from here to action button. If you want to know, watch the end screen of this video. You can find the answer. Then finally, this side button has one important function to do. Let's say if your iPhone 17 was completely disabled, we can't use this anymore. If we try to restore the phone, on that time the side button was very important function to turn your iPhone into boot mode. So these are all the use of the iPhone 17 side button. And if you want to know how to use this action button as Siri instead of this side button, watch this video.